Okay, everyone. Hi, I'm back after so long. We'll do a catch-up video another day, but let's get right back into it. Today, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of Boom, my wig from Klaiyi Hair. I think that's how you say it. It's a honey blonde highlight body wave 13 by 5 middle part lace front wig. It was $295.50, and I had a $67.96 discount because if anybody is familiar with that website, they always have a whole bunch of discount codes. I forgot which discount code I used. I'm not sponsored, so yeah. But as you all that have ordered from them know, it comes in this silk bag, which I love these little bags because I do put my wigs in there and I leave them alone. Let's see what's all in there, what comes in the bag. So the bag, boom, and then we have some lashes. Now, bruh, let me just say one thing quick about these lashes. These lashes are definitely extreme for me, even though I have on lashes now, but these are a little bit too extreme. I like mine way more wispy, but I did use these to put on my mannequin head, and I do give these away to some people that are a little bit more bolder than me. And now that I think about it, I might cut them into some pieces and use them like just a few pieces on the end, but that's a whole nother video. Excuse me. So, boom, came with a pair of lashes, came with a wig cap, which I don't really be wearing the wig caps. I probably should, but I don't. So, came with the wig cap, came with the receipt thing, I guess, like a packing list of all that's in there. I don't know. My camera, I'm doing this from my phone, so. And it came with this cute little headband. And mind you now, I haven't opened this yet, so this is our first time we opening it together. But so the wig itself comes in this bag. Ooh, she's looking long. And literally I got this one, not literally. I honestly got this for the summer because I just recently cut off all my blonde. I usually dye my own hair. I cut off my hair. So it comes like this. Part in the middle. It's a T-part. I don't know. Now that I'm thinking about it, I never should have got this daggone. I don't know. I got this middle part wig. I don't know what I was thinking, but hey, it is what it is now. Taking off this. Ooh, so the hair is very soft. Definitely a body wave. Give the specs on it. So it comes with 1, 2, 3 combs on the inside. One right here, one right here, one in the back. Of course, it has its adjustable straps. Has its adjustable straps right here. And like I said, this is a middle part wig. So there is not really much room for, different styling other than going right down the middle, or if you just want to wear it back. But I will do what I need to do to it, and I will give you guys the update. I just wanted to unbox this with you. The color is pretty. The hair feels very soft. Not getting any snags as of right now. Again, this is 24 inches. When I put it on in another video, I will show you all where it comes to me. I'm 5'2", so I'll show you where it comes to me on my body. Usually their 24-inch wigs come about like past my bra strap, definitely to like the middle of my back. It is true to length. I like these highlights. I'm liking the highlights so far. It's pretty blended. This is choppy to me right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it's not horrible. The roots are like a 4. And it's just a pretty summer, fun blonde color that I can't wait to wear. So, thank you guys, and I'll be back with some more videos real soon.